guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this resort like amenities, room category, location, landmark facilities and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. See that 100 of reviews of this hotel you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 8.7. It's the excellent category 1. You can see on the screen room details like room size, room type, room highlight, facilities, pages, etc. Room category 2. Room category 5. Category 6. Next, we discuss the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen, in this hotel, since we there are many deals and offers available online for this hotel, along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are not, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For more details about this property, please go to link in description. If you have visited this hotel, you can send your experiences via comments. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then you subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video.